So since I came out last night as a non-binary, gender-fluid, dragonborn Khajiit, I've been getting a lot of comments on my Twitter, on my YouTube, some messages about people coming out as
attack helicopters.
because you don't have the woo thing and you can't shoot missiles out of you. Attack helicopter is not a real gender. But